Hey.
Hey,
Hey,
can you guys hear me?
Yeah.
Hey. Good. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Good. Did you guys see we got our design the study grade back?
No.
yeah, she changed it.
Yeah, she moved it to 100, so that was nice.
Oh, sweet. That is great.
Yeah,
Yep. Yeah, thanks for submitting that again.
no problem. I'm glad that part is done. That was more interesting than I had anticipated.
Yeah.
Yep.
Jenny, can you hear us? We can't hear you if you're talking. Let's see.
Hey, Britton, how did you feel that the test went?
It was good. I didn't think it was, well, it wasn't bad. I mean, there were a couple that were kind of confusing, so I ended up taking a really long time taking it, but yeah, it wasn't bad. What did you guys think?
I got confused on those ones that we hadn't done in a little while. That was hard for me.
Oh, yeah. Like on deciding which study to use or on,
No, I have to go back and look at it, but I didn't like the test.
Yeah.
yeah, it's understandable.
I've just progressively gotten worse with each.
Did you guys fill out that, like sheet that they included?
Yeah,
Um,
those actually weren't as hard. Like I felt like I understood those decently for the test. Like I don't
Mm-hmm.
know, but I mean I'd have to go see which ones I missed to even see if
Yeah.
yeah.
I don't. I just don't know what I missed. So
Yeah, that's kind of frustrating. I wish it would at least show like right
yeah.
after and then close it.
Yeah. For real.
Did you guys get your collect the data back as well?
Uh-uh.
No.
Well, not that I've seen.
Okay.
Yeah, all of our stuff was super different. It was
I
kind of
know.
interesting.
Way different. It's kind of weird, but
Yeah.
it's weird.
She said, trying again, I could hear you.
Yeah, I sent her a new invitation.
So, I saw that email and thanks for responding to Melissa Britton. Do we know when she's going to join?
No.
No, I bet she'll see about joining Thursday since it's already today.
Right.
Yeah.
Or
I
maybe
didn't
next.
think I didn't think the stuff for today was too bad. Like
Mm-mm.
it's pretty short.
I haven't done the homework for it yet.
I haven't done the homework either, but if it's like the prep, it'll take maybe 20 minutes.
Yeah, the
Yeah,
prep.
it doesn't take long.
Did you finish it?
Uh-huh.
Mm,
It's pretty easy stuff.
good.
I'm gonna text Jenny. Did she message back? Is that what I heard?
I'm going to check. I just heard the little thing. I heard it, but I don't see anything.
Oh. Yeah, I mean, hopefully we get 100 on collect the data. Like, I don't know how we couldn't get 100, you know?
Yeah.
Before you had submitted, before I got that, I went to bed before I got your text and or email, whatever it was, and so I submitted it for me because I thought that I was supposed to.
Oh, okay.
So, but then I
Yeah.
saw yours and I was like, oh, well, I guess a double submission isn't going to hurt.
Yeah, we both, I think we both, because I wasn't sure, like, I didn't hear if you had done it or not. And so I just did it too.
No, I'm a bit too because I'd been gone and I felt like coming home I had like a small window to get
Yeah.
it done before it's due. And it's due for me so much earlier than it is for you guys. Because
Yeah.
I'm 3 hours ahead
Yeah.
of you.
That's true.
So
Hey, Jenny. I can't hear you, but we can see you.
I feel like I can hear her laughing.
Yeah,
I'm
like
not.
it's pretty faint, but I thought I heard her like once.
Is it you laughing?
Yeah, I was kind of slightly. It looks like she's talking pretty loud, but we can't hear her. Jenny, you can just like, well, you can call me if you want, and we could do it that way, or you can just use the chat, whatever you want to do.
So I was just going back and looking at her comments from Design the Study. I don't think she added any comments or changed any comments. I think she just approved it. Did you see the same? Have you guys tried to do that?
That's what I saw too. I didn't see anything new.
Okay.
I actually didn't see any comments at all. I don't think.
Well, on the teacher document, I just pulled that up again.
Yeah, me too. I didn't see anything different.
But it brought my grade up, so that was good.
Yeah, me too.
Okay, well, should we get started?
Yes.
Sure. Did anyone have any questions?
Did you hear what she said? She said, I will just listen and type comments.
Yeah.
Okay.
Um,
Jenny says she doesn't have questions. I don't have any questions.
I don't either.
me neither.
Should we just start?
Yeah.
Oh, just kidding. I did have a question. Sorry. I was going to ask, when we are doing the scatter graphs, the scatter plot graphs, it doesn't matter whether or not we put, like, which category goes into X and Y, right? Because I just did whatever.
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
Okay, I didn't think it mattered. I just wanted to check.
Okay.
All right. Let me pull up the quiz. Okay. Are you guys all ready?
Yep.
And Jenny, are you good? Okay. So number 3, the correlation coefficient is used to quantify the direction and strength of the linear relationship, the direction and duration of the nonlinear relationship, the strength and reliability of the linear relationship, or the direction and strength of the nonlinear relationship.
The first one.
Yeah.
If the correlation coefficient is negative, when one variable increases, the other variable tends to increase, is unpredictable, tends to decrease, or is negative.
C.
Tends to decrease.
Yeah.
Jenny, you good? Okay. The effect of outliers on the correlation coefficient is not significant.
False.
False.
The correlation coefficient between duration and weight of the old faithful data is... Did they tell us to open that before?
It says on the bottom, I think, yeah.
Oh, I totally didn't even pay attention to that.
But it's opening it in Excel. And I didn't do it in Excel.
Yeah, you have to go to the data thing. Like I tried to open the Excel one in SPSS, and it opened a bunch of Chinese characters.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Okay, I just got it to open. So.
Mine's still working on it. Mine just takes forever.
I didn't realize we were supposed to go to options and then click that, the mean and standard deviation when we were doing it before. So I was like, what is their standard deviation? Did it tell us that in the reading and I just missed it?
Wait, to do what?
Well, how did you guys find the standard deviation on the
I went to, hold on, this is closing.
It's like analyze descriptive statistics and then descriptives.
Yeah, that's what I did.
So if you go to, when you're doing the analyze, correlate, and everything that we're doing, then you just can click on options and click display and standard deviation. And it will put it to descriptive statistics box.
Yeah, that could work too.
Sorry, my thing is just not wanting to go fast today. Do you guys have it open?
Yep.
Sorry, what?
I asked if you guys had it open yet.
Yeah, I have it open.
Taking forever. Okay, well, you guys don't have to wait on me to open it up.
Okay, is it just taking forever?
Yeah, it is. Here we go. It's coming slowly but surely. Okay, here we go. Let me just. Okay, so I put it all in. Opening. Now it's really being weird. Oh, there we go. Okay. So I got 0.901.
Yeah, me too.
Me too. And so did Jenny.
Okay. And then the covariance of duration rounds to 1 decimal point. Okay.
So do we do that while we calculate it or just after? Because on the home or on the prep, like I didn't round when I calculated it, and so I got a different answer than they did by a little bit.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I don't.
So I don't know, like if they want us to use the exact number that
Like
it
the
pulls up.
1.141371.
Yeah, or if they want us to round to like 3 decimal places so they're all
I
equivalent,
remember.
or
Well, what did Jenny say? So she got
Oh, so she rounded, it looks like, and she got 14.1, and I didn't round, and I got 13.981.
yeah, me too. So it would be 14.0, but I'm not sure which one they want.
Oh, it's so annoying. Well, I say we use the one that we don't round. Maybe. I mean, I feel like either way we can dispute it because they didn't tell us which way to do it one way or the other. So if we get it wrong, then I feel like it would be fair to
But
get.
here's what's interesting, though, is when I don't round, I get 13.981, but it says round to 1 decimal place, which would be then, which would give us 14 regardless. Wouldn't it?
Yeah, but she did the rounding and she got 14.1. So 1 decimal place is, for her it's 14.1 or 14.0.
Right, exactly. So we would have to do just either one of those. Okay, she said, did you do?
Yeah, because not rounding it and rounding it to 3 gives 14.0. And then if we did just like 1 decimal place, I'm
Yeah,
going to put 14.0, I think.
That's what I think we should put. But Jenny, I did that except on your 1.1414, I have 1.141371. So I didn't round that last number to a 4. I kept going and kept the whole number. of the standard deviation, and that's why my number was a little different than yours.
Yeah, I say we put 14.0, and then if they come back and we get it wrong, then I'll submit it to the teacher or
Yeah.
sister.
I mean, they've put it in like caps all throughout the course to don't round until you're done. So I think we should go with that.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. So then the next ones, the next 5, 6 questions, we have to match the scatter plot with the correlation coefficient.
Yep.
So for 8, 0, my guess would be C.
Yep.
What do you guys think? Okay, and then for 9,
would be A, right?
positive,
A.
yeah. Say A. And then 10 would be the opposite of that, so D.
That's a D, yep.
11.95, I'd say B.
B, yep.
B looks the closest.
And then
And
12
negative
would be E.
E, yeah. And then the last one would be F.
Yep.
See what Jenny has been seeing. Okay. Okay, so the correlation coefficient between score and confidence of math self-efficacy data is
Between score and what?
Sorry, my computer is going to take forever to pull that.
No, you're fine.
Did you guys move both over to the variables?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Does it matter that they look different? Like the score has like the 3 balls and the confidence rating has the ruler?
In this, it shouldn't matter. In other things it would, but
Right.
Okay, so when I put it in, wait a minute to work. I don't know why it's taking so long to compute stuff. I got 0.728.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Jenny, is that what you got? Okay. Last question, the covariant.
You guys get 11.184.
yep.
I haven't
We were
quite
round to
Oh, except
2.
rounded 2 decimals, so it's just 11.18.
Yeah. That should
done.
be.
For 14, did you do 0.728? That's how you guys wrote it in there, right?
Yeah.
When it said your answer should be exact. I mean, it did give that. I just wanted to make sure.
Yeah. All right.
Sorry, what did you guys say you got 11.184?
Yeah, but just 1.8.
0.18.
Yeah.
Yep.
Jenny, so you got it also? Good.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna submit.
Yep, me too.
All right. Good to go.
You got it.
So Jenny had said that her thing didn't even, like when she calculated it in SPSS, it didn't give her that full rounded answer. So that's kind of frustrating for her. I don't know why I did that, Jenny. I'm sorry. I don't know how to help you.
So it didn't give, oh, like the full standard deviation or
Yeah,
something?
did you see? She says that when she did it, it gave her 1.1414 instead of the 1.4, whatever, 37. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, that's annoying.
Yeah, it's weird. Tori has done the homework. I have not done the homework, and Britton has not done the homework.
Yeah.
Yep.
Did you have a question, Jenny?
Hey, are you guys still down with trying to meet to do our stuff early next week? Do you remember us talking about that?
Oh yeah, when was
Yeah.
that?
We were going to meet at our regular time on Tuesday and have both lessons done.
Oh, that's right.
Is that going to be too crazy, do you think?
That should be okay. Um, and I think at this point I say yes, but I have no idea what's gonna happen.
Yeah.
Um,
So I leave Wednesday afternoon, like Wednesday evening. Um, so what you guys tell me what I can miss the meeting, I can talk to her, or we can try and
well, I say let's all like work towards that, and then um on Monday or whatever, or even just on Tuesday. Well, maybe on Monday we can all email and say whether or not we got far enough to do it.
so how do I do that if we can't, if we don't, like, what would I do with the next lesson? If you guys aren't ready to do it on the Tuesday, because we
I
can't do it
th
on
I
Wednesday,
th
you guys aren't available.
I think you can get permission to do it on your own, but I'm
Yeah.
not sure. And I think I should be able to get everything done. Like at least just the prep. I probably won't get the homework done for both, but
Yeah, because we just need the prep done in order to take the group quiz.
yeah.
Yeah, I should be able to. I just work this weekend and it depends on how not clingy Afton is. She's been way clingy lately. But I have that and then I have my part of the group project is due this week. So I
Yeah,
should
that's
be able
true.
to do it all, but I don't want to say like yes, just in case I don't. But I should be able to. Like I was planning on working on stuff today.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Jenny,
Um,
I missed three of them too. Sorry, Jenny just said the homework was okay, no questions. Then I took the quiz and missed 4 out of 10. And yeah, I missed three. I haven't gone back and retaken it yet, but need a refresher. I They're so sneaky because they say that the course isn't like comprehensive, but I feel like everything is. I don't know. Anyway, back to what we were talking about. I think I should be able to do everything.
um, I'm looking up the actual date. Jenny wants to know what the date is. And it would be meeting next Tuesday, so the 29th, and having both lesson 23 and 24 ready to, with the prep done so we can do the group assessment or the group exam.
Okay. I think it should, especially if they're as easy as this week. I don't see why I couldn't get it all done.
Yeah, I got this done in like 20 minutes, like with the reading and the assignment. So if it's the same, it shouldn't be bad.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure it'll work to do both.
It'd be nice if well, I mean, for me, I loved only having one, like just having the test and then having the rest of the week to not have to do a whole nother lesson.
Yeah.
It was nice.
I mean, our group or our collect the data took up plenty of time.
Yeah, I was planning for like a half an hour and it took like 2.5 hours.
You know, it was just ah.
And it's also different. Like my data was crazy. I was shocked. Did you see how low my numbers were?
Yeah. And
So,
mine, like, I couldn't, yeah. Mine stayed pretty much the same and, like, hardly varied at all. So, I don't
Yeah,
know.
there was like a huge difference in between yours
Yeah.
and mine and Jenny's and Natalie's.
that's crazy. Yeah, my penny wrappers were bad too, Jenny.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Well, at least we're done with that part. So.
Yes. And
Yep.
honestly, and I think I said this to you, Natalie, when we talked on Saturday, but I feel like the collecting the data part isn't necessarily what's important. Like, I mean, it is, but the point of this project, I'm assuming, is, to figure out what kinds of hypothesis tests and all that stuff, like interpreting the data, not necessarily conducting a perfect experiment, because this is obviously far from perfect. There are lots of room for error in this, so, but anyway.
Yep. I keep trying to go to Jenny's, what she said.
Yeah, Jenny, that is my part of the group project is graphs and talking about the data. So my plan hopefully is to finish all of that and send it to you guys before our meeting, like hopefully by tomorrow. Hopefully, maybe even by the end of today, I'll get it done. And then have you guys look over it, and we can discuss it on Thursday if we need to.
Sounds good.
That's
Thanks for
my,
doing that.
yeah.
Hopefully that's not as eventful as the beginning. Like let's make it more smooth.
Yeah. I'm
Yep.
hoping.
You guys will do great. So okay. Is there anything else we have to discuss? I think we're good.
Oh, that's awesome, Jenny.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Very smart.
Cool. Well, thanks, guys.
Okay, thanks. We'll see
ya.
ya.
See you guys later.